Welcome back, Coaster Spotters. This is Alex to Hersheypark for construction update number 13 of Candymonium and Chocolatetown. Let's take a look as they rush to finish in time for opening.
Here, just as you enter the front gate plaza, you can see the lines to tell you how tall you are and what rides you're able to ride. Not as fun as those characters used to have. As you can see, lots of that landscaping finally taking place. Lots of work taking place on that front gate finally. 2 weeks, guys, 2 weeks. It's just great to see the construction site so alive. I haven't seen it alive since February, since I've been here on weekends or late for Candymonium testing. But they are definitely rushing to get this ready in 2 weeks. The wheelchair rentals and restrooms have their signs. As you can see, when you enter the restaurant, you'll be greeted with this fantastic historical artwork. You can see the parking lot looks like it's just about finished. Lots of railings have gone in. All these final details are going in, and it just looks fantastic. More artwork welcoming you to Hersheypark. Still haven't finished that road that leads up to the bus stops all the way down to the front gate area. Here we can see the Kisses fountain. Don't see any notable changes, but I'm sure there has been some. Candymonium. Definitely just wrapping up all these final details, getting everything ready for Candymonium. We know that it is running for season pass holders starting on June 29th. We will be there for all that coverage. So be sure to check out Instagram and Twitter on that day for full live updates and then a review shortly thereafter. Love the Hershey Kiss on top of the carousel. Be sure to check out the 2 testing updates we did for Candymonium. As always, that station is looking fantastic. From what I heard, the ride has now been signed off from B&M, so it is all good to go. Looks like the station is now finally complete, all painted up, and we have signs. It's time for Candymonium. Two signs, one for the entrance to the area, and looks like one for the entrance to the ride itself. Lots of little Hershey Kisses going on the roofs and the buildings everywhere. It is definitely time to unwrap some fun. As you can see, they're working on all types of things, getting all the roads done. And as you see when we go up in the air, lots of has been done. So let's go ahead and take the drone up and wrap up this update.
So now that we are taking a bird's eye view of the progress, you can see that lots of the midways have now been put in, and as you can see, we're currently working on pouring more. So this is good. These are usually the last things to go in because you don't want to drive heavy construction vehicles over freshly poured asphalt or concrete. I believe this is the last update, at least for Candymonium it is. So Candymonium opens for king size season pass holders on June 29th, and the entire park finally opens to season pass holders on July 1st, followed by everyone else on July 3rd. Reservations are required and can be booked on Hersheypark's website. But thank you so much for following along for what should have been not nearly as long of a time throughout all the updates. If you're there from the beginning, thank you so much. If you've joined somewhere in the middle, thank you for subscribing and watching The Coaster Spot. This has been Alex. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you at Candymonium.